your men use that hard break to come out with everything that they can tonight?
Even after the loss ng last game namin, I was really happy with the effort. The effort was there. We just lost the game because we did not get enough free throws. Just very low percentages of free throw line. And then we made one bad decision, fouling Montana, taking 3-point shot or 4-point shot. So, nandun na yung, I think it's an innate confidence that we can hold our own, we can compete with TNT. I was telling them before the game how hard we tried to win that last game, but because of free throws and just one transition, so if we can replicate that effort, make our free throws, and then play a little smarter, maybe we can win this week. So, yun lang, we shot well, we shot the ball well, and then we got our share of rebounds, we defended well. Of course, malaking bagay, wala si Ugoy. Yung panalo nila game 1 and game 2 was really just a brilliant and outstanding play of Pogoy in the first game, and then the outstanding play of Calvin in the second game. So pagka na-solve namin yung dalawa, mas malaking chance namin. So we were really just focused on playing defense and rebounding. We did not really worry too much about our offense.
Thank you so much, Coach Ye. Antonio played nearly an average of 7 minutes in the first 2 games, but how were you able to get the rhythm, the timing, and the confidence that you had to just come out on fire tonight?
Siguro just being ready to step up kasi hinakulang kami in yung CDK. So, I know I'm gonna get my chance. So, just being ready to step up na. Kasi sabi ni Coach Eng, yung eliminations, iba pa yun sa quarterfinals siya sa semis. The farther you go, kailangan mo i-elevate yung game.
We're now opening the floor to the thanks.
Congratulations. What's yung second half yung mga nangyari kay Tegan ni Kumundi and Tegan ni PGR? Just talk about yung nangyari yung second reaction nyo.
Yun lang, yun nga, those things happen, but you really want to protect your players, especially kung nandito ka na, malaki yung chance na advance ka. It's really preservation of your personnel. Alam ko sa kanila, ang bagay, nawala si Ray, nawala si Manuela, nawala si Ugoy, wala. Sa amin, wala si Mo, wala si Felix. So, I felt na there's room for physical rugged play, but it's really yung mga pwedeng maka-injure, pwedeng maka-damage ng career ng player, or hindi man, ang bagay yung mawawala siya sa'yo ng 2-3 laro, tapos na yung series. So, accident will happen, we can accept that. But yung mga player, yung mga kailangan. And we play physical, nangyayari din yun. Minsan meron din kami gano'n. But it's not really with any malice.
Siguro after 3 years, you would say sayang na nag-train yung buwan, but
these guys, they know what they can do. They know they deserve to be here. They know after 4 times playing the semifinals, they know what it takes. Times hindi na nila. After playing TNT 3 times in the series, we know what it takes. Pero iba pa rin, iba yung ano nila. Iba yung, they're very competitive, they're very disciplined. And then, yun nga, double barrel shotgun, Ogohit and Ostana. There's sheer talent. They can take over a game. So, ang bigat pa rin. Sabi ko, wala si Archie Marriage Day, mas madali silang talunin. Hindi rin. Ang hirap nilang talunin. So, at least nakatuwan kami. Tsaka ano rin namin, our best chance is to make this series long. If it becomes a short series lang. So at least nanalo kami ngayon, winner is going to 5 games. Pag nanalo pa kami, winner is going to 6 games. So we know our best chance is in taking this series to the stretch.
Coach, we talk about yung contribution ni Santi. Hindi ka nakikita mo na parang tama contribution in this sense.
So, a contribution is Santi.
Santi and Pete Taco.
Okay. Nag-usap kami nilang Keith kahapon, consista, we told him, he can play better, he can make a better contribution. And he showed it today. He played longer minutes, got his share of rebounds, played with a lot of hustle. So, ang tingin ko, baka kailangan lang niya ng konting motivation. So, si Santi naman, the usual thing. Santi is also being used as a 3 and a 4, whatever the situation requires. Whatever the situation requires. So, para ano na siya, parang siya na yung take over sa role ni Gabe. Gabe is really our Swiss Army knife, so magiging gano'n na rin si Santi. And he's proving that he can take on the responsibility.
Coach, yung past two series, 8-3 na naralo kayo and then eventually tatalo kayo yung last 2 games. So, you plan to break the trend?
Siguro naman, subukan namin i-break yung trend na yun. Wednesday is the big game. We feel that if we can break through. Kasi pag series namin, forward kami ng forward eh. So, at least napantay na namin yung level ng dalawang playoffs namin. Pag nalalo